Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This video is going to talk about volume by disk method. For volume by disk method, we have two cases here. Case 1 is cross-section perpendicular to the axis of revolution by mean x-axis. For example, if we have the shaded region here and we want to revolve this region to x-axis, revolve at 360 degree. So we want to find the volume of revolution. So for this region, we can use this method. The formula for volume is V is equal to pi fx square. Fx is our function here, fx square, and integrate respect to x. And then our region here from A to B, so we put our limit here A to B. Case 2, cross-section perpendicular to the x-axis of revolution by means y-axis. For example, we have the shaded region here. We want to find the volume when the shaded area revolves at y-axis. The revolution on 360 degree. So to find the volume, we will use the formula of this method where V is equal to pi fy square. Fy is our function here, fy square dy, integration respect to y. And then our region here from C to D, so we put our limit here C to D. Look at this example. Find the volume of the solid generated by revolving the region that enclosed by the curve below about the x-axis. So we want to find the volume when our shaded region revolve at x-axis and revolve 360 degree. Then we can use formula volume V equal to integration of pi fx square dx. Integration from A to B. First, find x-intercept by substituting y equal to 0. If we substitute y equal to 0, then we get x equal to plus minus 1. So here must be positive 1. So substitute into volume formula. So integration here from 0 to 1 pi, and our function fx is 1 minus x square dx. So that one is integration respect to x, so function must be in terms of x. Then simplify our integration, expand 1 minus x square, we will get 1 minus 2x square plus x to the power of 4 dx. Then we can integrate. We put pi here and integrate 1, we get x, minus integrate 2x square, we get 2x to the power of 3 over 3 plus integrate x to the power of 4 is x to the power of 5 over 5. 0 to 1. Then substitute x equal to 1 first. So x equal to 1 minus 2, substitute 1 the power of 3 over 3 plus substitute 1 the power of 5 over 5, and then substitute x equal to 0 is 0. Calculate this one, we will get 8 over 15 pi. Unit the power of 3 because unit for volume. Next example, find the volume of the solid generated by revolving the region that enclosed by the curve below about the y-axis. That means we want to find the volume of the shaded region here, revolve at y-axis revolve on 360 degree. So we will find the volume by using formula of this method, where V is equal to integration of pi Fy square dy. So our integration must be in terms of y. So our function here must be rearranged as x is equal to 1 minus y square. And then we need to find the y-intercept. So to find the y-intercept, we will substitute x equal to 0. So 1 minus y square will be equal to 0. So we will get y equal to plus minus 1. So our y-intercept here is negative 1 and positive 1. Then substitute into our formula, v is equal to pi. We put pi here, and our limit is negative 1 to 1. And our function fy is 1 minus y square dy. Then expand 1 minus y square, we will get 1 minus 2y square plus y to the power 4 dy. Then integrate 1, we get y, integrate respect to y. Integrate 1y minus integrate 2y square is 2y to the power of 3 over 3 plus integrate y to the power of 4 is y to the power of 5 over 5. Limit from negative 1 to 1. Then substitute our limit. Substitute y equal to 1 first. So y equal to 1 minus 2y, substitute 1 to the power of 3 over 3 plus substitute y equal to 1, so 1 to the power of 5 over 5 minus, then substitute y equal to negative 1. Negative 1 minus 2, substitute y, negative 1 to the power of 3 over 3 plus substitute y equal to negative 1, so negative 1 to the power of 5 over 5. Then calculate this one, we will get 12 over 5 pi unit cube.